Top 5 Best Convection Ovens. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Breville BAV 845 BSS Oven. The Breville is also a smart oven but in a different way. It features what the manufacturer calls Element IQ technology. This adjusts for you the 5 heating elements for rapid heating and even cooking. It's a state-of-the-art that sufficiently distributes heat when and where it is needed. Other features include 9 preset functions, an easy-to-read backlit LCD that changes color while cooking, an easy-to-clean stainless steel exterior, glass door that is tempered, an auto-eject rack, automatic shut-off and sound alert. With this oven, you'll receive clearly written instructions along with 3 pans made to fit the oven. It should be noted that while the pans are simple to clean, they are non-stick and are a bit thin. It is great for everyday use and relatively affordable. At number 2, Toaster Oven 4-Slice. The toaster oven interior is specially designed for even toasting of up to 4 slices of bread at a time, and the sleek compact design fits nicely on your countertop, while the curved interior makes room for a 9 pizza or 4 slices of bread. Wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook with the convenience of an oven, and the natural convection circulates air for faster, even cooking. The toaster oven's cooking functions include baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. The 30 minutes timer includes precise toast settings and stay-on functionality. Keep the toaster oven clean with the convenient removable crumb tray. At number 3, Cosori 12. The toaster oven comes with 2 fan settings, 3 rack placements, and 5 heating elements. Keep an eye on your food as it cooks. The non-stick interior helps avoid stains and keeps cleanup simple. French fries make the perfect side, without all the usual oil and fat. Enjoy a quick breakfast in the morning with the toast and bagel functions. Cook an entire 5 pounds chicken for a delicious main course. Stock up on homemade snacks like dried fruit and beef jerky. Enjoy your convenient cooking with high-precision LED screen, easy dial controls, and interior light. At number 4, Black+Decker 6 Convection Oven. The Black+Decker 6-slice stainless steel digital convection countertop toaster oven with broiler pan, with a large interior and 20% faster cooking times than previous models. The 7 dedicated cooking functions quickly perfect everything from 12 pizzas to reheated leftovers. Intuitive digital controls make it easy to set the time, temperature, and cooking function, and the 120-minute timer features stay-on and auto-shut-off functionality. Convection technology circulates air within the oven for fast and even results while baking. 3 rack positions bake an entire chicken or fish steaks right under the broiler. The included rack slides into 3 different positions for flexible cooking. The included baking, broiling pan fits perfectly, making it easy to insert and remove food. Toasting rack also included. At number 5, NutriChef Convection Oven. NutriChef's Convection Oven countertop cooker is designed to produce succulent meats, steak, pork, chicken, vegetables and more. It cooks your food up to 50% faster than the usual conventional oven, and it does better, faster and with less electricity usage. There's no need to thaw frozen meats or preheat and defrost to have the best flavor and taste of your food. NutriChef's Convection Oven countertop cooker also uses a patented trio of cooking methods: conduction for the heat to go straight up to your food, convection to circulate the heat, and infrared radiant heat to cook food from the inside out that leaves your food perfectly moist and flavorful. If you're looking for an alternative for cooking in the kitchen or at home, then the convection oven of NutriChef perfect for you. It's very much capable of baking, grilling, steaming, broiling, roasting, air frying and more. It's also perfect for all-round even cooking, and it's versatile as well. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.